Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
The Kraken app is a mobile application designed for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and traders. It allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, providing access to a wide range of digital assets. The app offers features like real-time market data, advanced trading tools, and the ability to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio on the go. Kraken is known for its strong security measures, including cold storage for digital assets, which helps protect users' investments. It also provides educational resources for users who want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and trading strategies. Making money on Kraken, like any other cryptocurrency exchange, involves various strategies and risks. Here are some ways people attempt to make money on Kraken. 1. Buy and hold HODL. This strategy involves purchasing cryptocurrencies and holding onto them for an extended period, hoping their value will increase over time. Many investors have profited by holding onto cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long term. 2. Day trading. Day traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies within the same day to profit from short-term price fluctuations. This strategy requires in-depth market analysis and can be risky due to the volatility of the crypto market. 3. Swing trading. Swing traders aim to profit from medium-term price movements. They buy when they believe the price is low and sell when they think it's high, typically holding positions for several days or weeks. 4. Arbitrage. Arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency on different exchanges. Traders buy low on one exchange and sell high on another, profiting from the price gap. 5. Lending and staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow users to earn interest by lending them to others or by staking them in a network. Kraken offers features for staking and earning rewards on certain cryptocurrencies. 6. Margin trading. Kraken offers margin trading, where you can borrow funds to trade larger positions. While this can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses and should be used with caution. 7. Participating in initial exchange offerings (IEOs). Some exchanges, including Kraken, occasionally host IEOs where users can invest in new cryptocurrency projects. If the project succeeds, the value of the tokens may increase, resulting in profits. 8. Using trading bots. Some traders use automated trading bots to execute trades based on predefined strategies. These bots can operate 24/7 and react quickly to market changes.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.